For the repair of the power supply PCB, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add 160 volt AC power supply and some lamps to the PCB's voltage outputs. As soon as we turn on the power supply, the unit reacts accordingly, and we can see that the lamps light up due to the voltage output. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the PCB is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.